Making money is becoming more easier in the internet space. Now, just a click in 24 hours, let it be, come back and check, and you see the money you've accumulated. I am talking about making money in cryptocurrency. Now, making money in cryptocurrency is becoming easier and easy by the day, but it all depends on you, the kind of information you get. Gone are those days when we do the Telegram mining app and the rest of them. A lot of projects has really failed back then when we have so many trusts on those cryptocurrency app like the rest of Hamster and the rest of them that end up giving us dust. But now, guys, I want to introduce to you a present mining app that is still new to the scene. Why I'm saying it's still new is because a lot of people has not hopped into it. And now I'm going to show to you the current rate of that particular mining app. When we start the video, you will see the current rate and how it has grown for the past days and months or even years to today. So guys, if this sounds like what is very interesting to you, please guys have to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and remember you have to stay to the end of this video. Now, staying to the end of this video, it is because there are always important takeaway that I drop at the end of all my videos. So the cryptocurrency that you start mining with this app is called Lumira. All right, as you can see, in 7 days time it's already have 4% of growth. All right, that means it's already in the this coin cap market, right, where you can check for other coins. Now let's see the analytics of growth. As you can see, look at the growth it has made over the years. So most people are not into this mining app currently, but it is happening there. All right, according to coin cap market, this is the present growth that it has. So I'm just going to show you how you can start mining this particular cryptocurrency and earn it for free. So when you even refer more of your friends, you earn more. It always have percentage when people under you mine. All right, so let me introduce to you the mining app that has this cryptocurrency. Name of the mining app is called Mira Network. All right, this is the mining app, Mira Network. Now you just have to sign up first. I'll leave the link to on the description of this video so that you click and sign up. All right, so when you click and sign up, this is how the interface is. As you can see, you can mine under 24 hours. So what you're earning is LUM. That's what I just showed you from that platform. As you can see, I already have 3 people mining. So for you to start mining, you just click on this hammer sign here. All right, that thing in the middle that looks like an hammer and circulated with green, you just hit on it and then you click on start mining. All right, so this pop-up will come up for you to either select continue with ads or continue without ad. So if you continue with ad, it's going to mine 200% rate for you, or if you continue without ad, it's going to mine 100. So let's click on continue with ad. All right, when you click on it, you hold on for a while, it's going to show you this pop-up loading ad. Then when you click on that, it's going to, when it's going to go off, then click on claim reward. So after this, it's going to show you some ad, right, a very little ad. Then after, then it's going to come back to this particular window and tell you that mining it's what 0%. That means you started mining at 0%. So when it gets to 100%, that is approximately 24 hours. Then you can come back again and start mining while it accumulates for you. All right, so you can see your mining power, you can boost your mining power, and then based on the friends or the people you refer, you're still going to have more mining power over there. All right, so that is all about this mining app. All right, so I'll show you now. As you can see, this place here, these are future airdrop. As you can see, it's empty, as if it's nothing is happening there. For reward, nothing is happening there. And so they have games also, they've not installed it. That is to tell you that this app is still, this mining app is still new. So you just have, look at KYC, it's still empty. So you just have to trip in, just get in and start mining before it becomes more popular. As you can see, these are the referrals I have. So guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget, mine this app daily. All right, accumulate as much as you can so that when it's time for you to reap what you mined, you will definitely enjoy it. All right guys, see you on my next video, and do not forget, leave your comment below on a particular review you want me to do and I will do it. All right guys, bye bye, and then see you on my next video.